my channel. It's been so long since I have not uploaded any of the video in my channel. From now onwards I will be regularly posting my video on my YouTube channel every Sunday at 5 p.m. In this video I'm gonna show you how my week has been gone through these days. So let's begin with this video.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11. Life lessons come one in the lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be.
So this is my to-do list. In mathematics, I have to complete the problems related to Poisson distribution, and in DBMS I have the concept of transactions. In OOPS I have to complete conditional statements concept, and SC I have to complete fourth chapter. So let's do it. So for my college purpose, I have ordered this bag from Flipkart. So I will quickly unbox it, and I have provided the link in the description box. And by quality purpose, I can rate this 10 on 10. This bag from Safari is very superb. I highly recommend to you. Also, they provided this cover which is very useful. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys.